tiny house on wheels. We are at Tiny Fest showing off our new Scandinavian tiny house. This has non-combustible siding and fire sprinklers, which are the kind of the new highlighted features. We have steel siding here, cedar siding on the ends, and aluminum windows. So let's take a look inside. So the first thing most people notice when they come into the tiny house is they can smell the cedar that's on the walls and ceiling. This is a fresh, natural cedar. It's unfinished. We don't want to finish it because it works for you in the home. It regulates the moisture, it smells good, and it also is a pest deterrent, which is kind of nice. But fire sprinklers are all these concealed heads. You'll see a little white circle up there on the ceiling. And they're integrated into the water system. So you don't need a separate water connection if you're going to install the sprinklers on site, which is really, really nice. It's really easy. The other feature I like to point out is this kitchen. This was part of our new design for the Scandinavian model. We went with this extra large copper workstation sink. We threw some color in. It took us forever to decide on that color. And it all came together with copper, and we love this. So if you want to see this kitchen in black or white, come check out our site. We show it off and tons of different features and finishes that we've done in the past. Let's go this way. We have a custom sofa, and the ottoman moves around. Right now it's stuck to our floor protector, but it does, move around freely, so you can use it as like a footrest or a little table. That's what you're hoping for. And in the bedroom, we have a queen-size bed. Now it's an alcove-style bed. I know that's not ideal for some people. We do custom design. We do other bedroom styles. This model just has this with the windows here to make it kind of cozy feeling. And when we come through here, we have a solid mahogany front door. We have this vent in the kitchen. We have an induction cooktop, and the vent is in this cabinet here. There's still room for some extra items, but it does exhaust to the outside. It's very important to get that out of the house, not just your charcoal filter and then you're breathing it again. One of my favorite features in this model is the solid core white oak doors. They really make it feel like a solid wall when it's closed. So you have that acoustic privacy, especially some people like that in the bathroom. And in the bathroom, we have a humidistat here, also vents to the outside. We have a full stacked washer and dryer. We have a rain shower with the wand here and a European style toilet. And of course, you need the backlit mirrors because they give you the best light to look good and feel good about yourself in the morning. So that's just a quick rundown of all my favorite things of our new Scandinavian tiny house. If you were looking for more information, well, you know how to find us. It's Cahill Works. We build tiny houses.